Hi guys! We're here in Alcud. Naglalakad po kami kasi puro sila mga sexy. Eto ang isa. Oh yeah, beautiful. This lady, party. Ay, see the barbecue place here. It's so nice, really. Ang problema lang is wala kaming pera. Pero nandito naman si Nelly. She's provide from us. Patay. Sana all. But really, malalaglag ang taba mo dito. Yun nga lang, kakain ka. Say hi, baby girl. Yuck, beautiful.
Can you stop saying yuck?
Mahirap talaga may kasamang may sayad sa utak. Sometimes, really. I have doubt to myself why I came to them.
Sometimes or always.
Yeah. Yes, of course. Come, wait. I'll put it here. Kabayan. Ay, si Kabayan ba yun?
Hindi ka pinansin. Dahil hindi siya si Kabayan, si Kabayot.
Eh, baka Indonesian siya. O, see guys. Barbecue place.
Tingin ka pa, nawawala mo kapatid.
Oy, ayan ang auntie ko.
Ha?
Auntie ko.
Nawawala mong auntie.
Ay,